Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by grounding yourself in the fundamentals, how biometric sensors capture signals and how matching algorithms compare templates. Once done, confirm legal and privacy requirements so you stay compliant. Then make a safe first move. Explore simulator tools or purpose-built educational kits that replicate sensor output without exposing real biometric data. This lets you practice data flow, preprocessing, and end-to-end testing conceptually. Keep notes on what each component must achieve and why, rather than trying to assemble hardware right away. Now focus on the middle work, the data pipeline and algorithmic logic. You will map capture through preprocessing to feature extraction and template storage, understanding why each step changes the signal. Make sure to prototype matching logic using synthetic or anonymized datasets so you can iterate on thresholds and performance metrics without handling real identities. While doing this, document error modes and privacy protections. Once prototypes behave predictably in simulation, you can plan for supervised, ethical testing with consented participants rather than proceeding blindly. To complete the project responsibly, finalize a design that includes clear interfaces, encryption of templates, and consent and audit procedures. Once done, stage controlled validation where participants explicitly consent and results are logged for review. If you encounter poor matching or instability, make sure to check sample quality and preprocessing steps, then revisit threshold calibration and algorithm assumptions. If problems persist, pause and consult a qualified mentor or institution to ensure your work remains ethical, legal, and technically sound.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.